Hello students, let us look at another word problem on simultaneous linear equation. The problem reads as 2 years ago a father was 5 times as old as his son. 2 years later मतलब 2 बरस बाद his age will be 8 more than 3 times the age of the son. Find the present ages of father and son. Now, proceeding for its solution, let the present ages of father and son be x and y years respectively. That means x is the age of father and y is the age of son at present. Now I have written down all the informations in this table. Here it is when. When means either it at present or 2 years ago or 2 years later, as the case may be. Now here ages of father and son. Now we have assumed that the age of the father at present is x and that of son is y. Now the relation is indicated in this column, relation according to problem. Now at present there is no relation, so nothing is given, but it has to be determined. इसे हमको निकालना है. Now 2 years ago मतलब 2 बरस पहले. 2 years ago, of course, the age of the father will be x minus 2 and the age of the son will be y minus 2. Now what is the relationship? The age of the father was 5 times as old as his son. That means father's age is equal to 5 times the age of his son. Now father's age is x minus 2, and this is equal to 5 times the age of his son, that is y minus 2. On simplification, we are going to have 5y minus x is equal to 8, and this is our first equation. Now in the second condition, here 2 years later मतलब 2 बरस बाद 2 years. Now 2 years later the age of the father will be x plus 2 and the age of the son will be y plus 2. Now what is the relationship? Let us see here. His age will be मतलब his age means the age of the father will be 8 more than 3 times the age of the son. That means father's age is equal to 8 plus 3 times age of the son. That is x plus 2 is equal to 8 plus 3 times y plus 2. And on simplification, we are going to have this equation, that is x minus 3y is equal to 12. So we have this first equation and second equation. That means a pair of linear equations in 2 variables, a system of linear equations. Thus we have to solve this system of linear equations 1 and 2. Now we are going to solve it by elimination through substitution. Now from the first we have x is equal to 5y minus 8, and replacing x by 5y minus 8 in the second we have replacing x by 5y minus 8. Here x is 5y minus 8, minus 3y, and this is equal to 12. simplifying this, 5y minus 3y, that is 2y, and 8 will go on the right hand side, 12 plus 8, that is 20. Hence we get y is equal to 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So we have got y is equal to 10. Now putting this value y is equal to 10 in this relationship, x is equal to 5y minus 8. That means 5 multiplied by 10 minus 8, that is 50 minus 8, and 50 minus 8, that is 42. Hence x is equal to 42. Thus, the age of the father, that is x, at present, this is equal to 42 years, and the age of the son at present, that is y, is equal to 10 years, and that will be your answer. Okay, thank you.